Yo guys, what is up? It is the Korean Kid, and in this video, I have a special unboxing. And without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start by just opening up the package real fast. Alright guys, so right here is the pair of 2013 Royal Ones. And I actually got these for a steal off of Goat. I don't really need this. Alright, well I kind of dropped them. But yeah, as you guys can see, these are the 2013 ones. You can tell because the leather is slightly a different, like, it's an off color. It's a little bit more purplish, but still a very clean shoe overall. Honestly, the Jordan 1 Royal is my favorite colorway. Well, one of them, mainly because of the color blocking, and I do like the color. But honestly, the bread toes are probably my favorite ones now, and just because those are really grown on me. But I got these from Goat for $190, and the only thing bad about the shoe is the box. But you guys can even look at the bottoms, like they're not even worn down or anything. But yeah, overall, like a great steal of a shoe. Just looking at like certain things, like the laces don't look messed up, and it even comes with the extra laces, which like they don't really have to throw these in, but it's just a nice touch. The only thing wrong, yeah, like I said, the only thing wrong with these is the box, because the top of the box is like ripped, like right here, and it's kind of pushed in. But I'll be able to resell these probably for like $300. So yeah, or I might just wear these. I'm not sure. These are really nice. But nothing else really to say about these. You guys have all seen the Royal Ones before. Overall, one of the best colorways of all time of the Jordan 1. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. And until next time, I'm out. Peace.